Alright, I know I said I would see you guys on the water, but I got the boat all cleaned up and I just had to give you a walk around. Because one thing about having a little one is the boat's only going to look this way for about 20 minutes. So she is dialed in. Got brand new dock lines. They're black and gray. The inside all cleaned up. Front hatch with the storage bin. New light. New rod holders, lights, steering wheel, Fusion RA770 radio, all new hatches, underwater light. Still waiting on the prop. Original 2004 Yamaha 90. Lower unit just fully serviced, resealed. But yeah, now I will see you guys on the water. A little different approach this time. Back to our beautiful pier at the community ramp. Baby's ready, as always. Boat looks totally different from last time. See how easy it starts. It's been a while. I did change the water separator again, so might take a couple minutes. Not too shabby. A little different for the POV this time. Garmin's still the same. Cup holder, switch boots, rod holders, speakers, cup holder, gray hatch. Interior, rear hatches, floor hatches, front hatches, bow light. I'm going to enjoy the ride with the fam for a little bit. I'll check back in with you guys. Just getting back to the house with the motor flushing right now. Got something else I wanted to be in the video earlier, but wasn't here yet. I went ahead and installed a helm pad into the boat, but it didn't get here until like 10 minutes ago, so I went ahead and just threw that in. But all in all, it's looking pretty good. Still got to rinse down the outside. Got a little bit of a scum line from where we stopped and had dinner. But still looking good. Got the seats all scrubbed down with vinyl protectant, all juiced up. Well guys, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed the process of me bringing this old center console back to life. Yeah, this is the end of the series, so I don't know what exactly I'm going to get into next. It'll probably be an old truck that I have that I've been wanting to do some minor things to kind of just do the same thing, you know, bring it up to date a little bit and just give it a refresh. So, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I never do. And you just never know with me. I might find something on Marketplace tomorrow and we're getting into that. So either way, we're going to have fun. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon.